All right, so today we are going to talk about simultaneous equations, and we're going to do a graphical approach. I want you to consider the situation that I'm going to have two ants crawling across a paper in two straight lines. I want to see where they hit each other. Well, take a look here. There's one of my ants. Here's the other one of my ants. And they're going across the page, and boom. Right there is where they hit each other, where they are on top of each other. And then they keep on going on their merry way. And so I'm looking, what simultaneous equations is all about finding what we call here this point of intersection. And that's what a solution to a simultaneous equation situation is. We can find this with our calculator. If I go second, trace, the intersection, first curve, second curve, enter, and I get the point 33. I could also, so let's try an example of where we have actually the equations. Just to summarize, so solution to this is point of intersection. That's the solution. That's what you're looking for, the point of intersection. That's the solution to simultaneous equations. It's where they share the same point. Okay, so if I consider these two scenarios here, I'm going to graph these and then get a sense what they look like. So if I'm going to graph this one, remember my y-intercept is 0, so I'll put 0, 0 on. And then I'm going to rise up 3, which is down 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4 here. And then I'm going to connect those points. And I will get this line here. Okay, now the second equation, in order for me to get it, I have to be able to graph it, so I'm going to rearrange that. I'm going to add y to both sides. So it's 2x equal to 9 plus y, and then subtract the 9. So 2x minus 9 equals y. And so my y-intercept is negative 9. I'm going to change my color here. Let's go to pink. I have negative 9. And I go rise up 2 and over 1. Rise up 2 and over 1. Rise up 2 and over 1. And I'm going to try to find the point of intersection here. Let me take the blue line. And so if I look at this, if I estimate, I should get the value that's about 3.2 and negative 2.5. So 3.2 comma negative 2.4, let's say. Okay, there is my estimate. If I look at my calculator, if I go over to these equations, let's actually see what the graph looks like, and we'll find the actual correct answer with our calculator. The graphical solution, if it's a nice number, can often turn out really well. But if it's not a nice number, then you have to do some estimating. So I'm going to zoom to our standard window. And there's our point of intersection. We'll find the intersection. And again, I was 3.2 and 2.4 negative. Looks good.